everyone, my name is Amit Pal Singh and I've done my MBA from India, and I have a postgraduate experience of 7.5 years in a bank as of now, and I'm just here to tell you a little bit about my story and how I came in touch with We Make Visas and the wonderful staff. Basically, I was contacted by one of the staff members of We Make Visas through a telecall, and this was in September 2014 when I was looking for some immigration services, and I planned to move to either Canada or Australia depending upon how things worked out. I applied under a FSW scheme of Canadian immigration as well as an express entry, and luckily I scored good points on both in both these programs, and I got an invitation to apply under both of them. Finally, I ended up applying under FSW, and just about a couple of days ago, I got my permanent resident visa stamp from the Embassy of Canada. Just here to tell you about a little bit about my experience with We Make Visas. It has been a very good ride. The staff here, especially Mr. Deepak, who's the proprietor, owner, cum partner, come the main resident guy of this firm, he has been a very helpful person through and through. If I speak about his experience, I think he has a lot of in-depth knowledge about how this immigration thing works. When I first came to We Make Visas, I really didn't have any clue as to how to go about this entire process. There was some suggestion from outside that I should just click on the embassy website and download all the forms and take it one step at a time. But to be honest, I checked out their website and it's really confusing as hell. So I got in touch with the Mr. Deepak of We Make Visas, and he gave me a really simple step-by-step, blow-by-blow account of how to go about this thing. And ever since then, it has been a very good ride. I've got a lot of help from him on each step of the process, be it applying for my transcripts for all the educational degrees or diplomas that I have gathered here in India, or maybe even going further, applying under the express entry scheme, or all the details were really taken care of by Mr. Deepak and his staff. The staff itself is quite knowledgeable, and they are very professional people that I'm really happy with the service. Hopefully they'll do really well as far as their professional setup is concerned. I wish them all the very best for the future.